Hello, Nettree family. Are you prepared to explore the advantageous membership packages offered by Nettree Market? First and foremost, allow me to present our most cost-effective membership package, the Bronze Package. Similar to our other packages, the Bronze Package ensures the guaranteed prominence of each member, captivating attention by adding colorful frame boosts to their products. Furthermore, members holding the Bronze Package enjoy the privilege of showcasing 3 products monthly in the story section on the homepage of nettreemarket.com. Now, advancing a step further with the Silver Package. In addition to the benefits of Bronze membership, our Silver members enjoy more comprehensive advantages. The Silver Package is designed to promote your products to a wider audience. We elevate your business to the next level with instant notifications via WhatsApp, regular social media posts, and extensive data analysis. But wait, there's more. And now, introducing the Gold Membership, Nettree Market's most comprehensive and exclusive package. Firstly, Gold Package holders have the privilege of benefiting from all boosts free of charge. Moreover, only Gold members are featured in the Featured Companies section on our homepage, gaining prominence. Additionally, the products of these members reclaim the top position in the relevant category every 10 days. Lastly, 7 products of our Gold members are published in the Story section on our homepage, increasing visibility. Visit nettreemarket.com now and savor the pleasure of expanding your business.